Okay, thank you so much for coming in to our quick video on understanding the 30% solar tax credit. This is Coach Jim from Gensun Roofing and Gensun Solar. All right, there has been a lot of confusion as to who qualifies for the tax credit, how much do you receive, how do I report it? Okay, so I'm going to go through this real quick. I'm going to show you some things on our website page as well as the IRS code. So I'm going to go to their website to show you exactly how this works. All right, first thing you need to know is obviously your house has to qualify for solar. That's number one. Number two, you get the solar tax credit if you buy the solar panels, not leasing them. Okay, buying them. If you lease, you do not get the tax credit. Okay, if you buy, whether you pay cash, whether you charge it on your credit card, or you take out a solar loan or a home equity loan, that all qualifies as buying the solar panels. Then you are eligible for the 30% tax credit, and this is good up to 2032. All right, now where the confusion comes in is understanding a tax deduction versus a tax credit. This is a tax credit, which will reduce your tax liability that you owe. Now, who qualifies for it? I'm going to go over and how it works. I'm going to go over that as well right on the IRS website. You can click this link to get there. All right, so let's give you a basic overview. All right, this is the IRS website. See right here. Here's the actual website link. All right, how it works. All right, as I said, buying the solar panels. All right, that comes under the qualified clean energy property. You get a non-refundable credit up to 30%. Okay, the amount you receive can exceed the amount you owe. Okay, so for instance, let's say the solar panels were $30,000. Well, 30%, 30,000 is 9,000 in credit. However, when your accountant does your tax return and it turns out that you owe 10,000 tax liability, well, okay, you can take the full 9,000 against that 10,000. If, however, you owe 5,000 in tax liability, well, then you can only use 5,000 of that 9,000, and the other 4,000 left over will carry forward to future years right here. Okay, that's the most simple explanation. Let's scroll down to who qualifies. Okay, you may claim the residential clean energy credit, solar panels, improvements to your main home, whether you own or rent it, but you got to live there. That's the key. You have to live in a home. And of course, the home itself can't be surrounded by trees. There's got to make it worthwhile to utilize solar panels. You got to be able to get enough sun throughout the day. That's a whole separate analysis. Okay, you can't claim the credit if you're a landlord or property owner that doesn't live there. And there's some other particulars about business use of home, etc. All right, but qualified expenses, again, solar panels right here. All right. Now, there are intricacies about, well, you know what? I actually get a refund every year. Okay. If you're getting a refund, that means that you are paying the government more money than you should be paying. Therefore, at the end of the year, they're just giving you your own money back. So if that's the case, most of that money is typically paid by way of your paycheck. All you need to do is reduce what's taken out of your paycheck, and then you can properly utilize the tax credit. And remember, the tax credit, you have to live in a home. It has to obviously be for solar panels. Okay, if you don't use it all, you can carry it forward to future years. And as I mentioned earlier, you have to buy the equipment, not lease. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. If you got specific questions about your particular situation, let me know. And by the way, if your accountant doesn't know how to file, right at the bottom, how to claim the credit, it's right here on Form 5695. Okay, have a great day.